Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by consolidating every data source into one Google Sheet so you can build reliable visuals. Once done, create a raw data tab and a separate working tab to avoid accidental edits. Make sure dates use YIMMDD and numeric columns are true numbers, not text. This prevents chart errors. Next, name ranges for your key columns and freeze the header row. This makes formulas and data validation predictable. Now you're ready to transform rows into the clean structure dashboards require. You now reshape data into dashboard-ready summaries. Start by using query and filter to isolate segments, because formulas update automatically when raw data changes. Once you have filtered sets, build pivot tables to aggregate sums, counts, and averages by date or category. Pivot tables are faster and less error-prone than nested formulas. Create helper columns for calculated KPIs and apply array formula so calculations scale with new rows. Make sure labels and data types match across sheets. This prevents broken charts later. You finish by creating charts from your pivot tables or named ranges and arranging them on a dedicated dashboard sheet. Pick a chart type that communicates the metric clearly: line for trends, bar for comparisons, pie for composition. Add filter controls and dynamic titles using formulas so viewers can change date ranges. Once laid out, import or paste new rows to test refresh behavior. Make sure formulas update and chart ranges follow named ranges. If a chart breaks, check that source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.